A wet patch that returns unexplained meter movement or lower pressure throughout a Sacramento home can point to a supply line leak, but each clue needs context. First, rule out visible indoor fixtures, irrigation, pool fill lines, and scheduled appliances. If water is undermining a walkway, entering the home, or approaching electrical equipment, keep people away and use emergency help when the situation is immediately dangerous. With every fixture and water-using appliance off, photograph the meter reading without opening utility equipment. Check again after 2 hours if practical. The EPA says a changed reading during a no-use period probably indicates a leak, but it does not show where the leak is. Walk the route between the street meter and the home. Look for persistent soft soil, unusual green growth, pooling without irrigation, or a faint sound of running water. Do not excavate near marked utilities or probe blindly into the ground. Compare recent bills with the same season last year and check for utility leak alerts. Pressure loss at one fixture may be local, a whole house change is more useful evidence, especially when paired with meter movement or a recurring wet area. Call trained help when the meter changes with all use off, water is surfacing, pressure drops throughout the home, or the shutoff cannot be operated safely. Ask how the line was located and what repair path is proposed before authorizing excavation. To locate a waterline service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.